Most people think of native plants as wildflower meadows, colorful, unstructured, and random. Yet native plants can provide so many more looks and can even resemble more traditional landscapes. What does a universe of native plants look like? We divide native plants into grasses, sedges, and wildflowers, also known as forbs. Common grasses are little bluestem, June grass, and prairie dropseed. Grasses provide structure and all-year interest. They tend to perform well in full sun and partial sun. Sedges look like grasses and are often lower with thicker foliage. Sedges are used to replace lawns and add colorful ground cover. They tend to prefer shade. Common sedges are Pennsylvania, palm, and hairy sedge. Forbs are flowering plants that are often known as wildflowers. Examples of native forbs in the Great Lakes region include milkweed, Culver's root, purple coneflower, black-eyed Susan, blazing star, asters, bee balm, yarrow, butterfly weed, and wild geranium. My Home Park has designed gardens with 100% native plants that allow you to achieve many looks in your yard with minimal maintenance. We're here to educate and save you time in researching native plants. Take a look at our designs and get them shipped to your door by clicking the link below to My Home Park.